This sound is I. The same as this picture, your eye. So it has the same sound as this word, I, or just like the letter, the name, I. Let's look at these words. S, I, sigh. T, I, t, I, t, t, I, t, tight. Or we could do it differently. T, I, t, tie, t, tight, tight. Both ways are okay. S, I, t, s, I, t, sight, sight. R, I, t, r, I, t, r, I, t, right. I'll do this the other way. M, I, t, my, t, might. N, I, t, night, night. S, l, I, t, s, l, I, t, slight, slight. L, I, t, light. F, I, t, fight.